Ever feel like your crypto wallet is a bit of a digital ghost town? You know, you've got your coins, you've got your trades, but something's missing? Now, let's be real. Crypto, for all its revolutionary potential, can feel a little bit like navigating a maze sometimes. Regulations, security protocols, and the ever-evolving landscape of digital finance can leave you scratching your head. But here's the thing, those regulations and protocols, they're there for a reason. They're there to protect you, to ensure a safer, more transparent environment for everyone. And a key part of that protection? Identity verification. Think of it this way, when you walk into a bank, you're expected to provide identification. It's standard practice. It's how they know you are who you say you are. The same principle applies in the digital realm, especially when dealing with financial transactions. Adding your ID to your Newton wallet is essentially your digital handshake, a way of confirming your identity and opening up a world of enhanced features and security. But why Newton specifically? Well, if you're watching this, chances are you're already familiar with Newton's user-friendly interface and its commitment to providing Canadians with a reliable and accessible platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. You know they're a regulated platform, meaning they operate within the legal frameworks designed to safeguard your investments. And part of that regulatory compliance involves verifying user identities. Step 1. Accessing the verification section. First things first, you'll need to open your Newton app. Once you're logged in, look for the Profile or Settings section. This is typically represented by an icon of a person or gear. Tap on it, and you should see a menu with various options. Within this menu, you'll find an option related to verification, identity verification, or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it should be relatively easy to spot. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 2. Understanding the requirements. Before you dive headfirst into the verification process, take a moment to understand the requirements. Newton, like other regulated platforms, will typically require you to provide a government-issued photo ID. This could be your driver's license, passport, or provincial identification card. Make sure your ID is valid and not expired. You'll also need to ensure that the photo and information on your ID are clear and legible. A blurry or damaged ID could result in your verification being rejected. Additionally, Newton might require you to provide a selfie for facial recognition purposes. This is a common security measure used to confirm that you are indeed the person pictured on your ID. Step 3. Preparing your documents. Now, it's time to gather your documents. Ensure that your ID is readily accessible and that you have good lighting for taking photos. Avoid glare or shadows that could obscure the information on your ID. If you're using your smartphone to take photos of your ID, make sure your camera lens is clean. A dirty lens can result in blurry images. Step 4. Initiating the verification process. Once you're ready, tap on the Start Verification or Begin Verification button. The app will guide you through the process, prompting you to take photos of your ID and a selfie. Step 5. Taking photos of your ID. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The app will typically provide a frame or template to help you position your ID correctly. Make sure all 4 corners of your ID are visible within the frame. Take photos of both the front and back of your ID. Ensure that the photos are clear and that all the information is legible. Step 6. Taking a selfie. Next, you'll be prompted to take a selfie. Again, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Ensure that your face is clearly visible and that there is good lighting. Some apps may require you to perform certain actions during the selfie, such as blinking or turning your head. This is to ensure that the selfie is a live image and not a static photo. Step 7. Submitting your documents. Once you've taken the photos of your ID and selfie, review them carefully to ensure that they are clear and legible. If you're satisfied, tap on the Submit or Confirm button. Step 8. Waiting for verification. After submitting your documents, you'll need to wait for Newton to review and verify your identity. The verification process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days, depending on the volume of applications. You'll typically receive an email or in-app notification once your verification is complete. Troubleshooting common issues. Now, let's address some common issues that users might encounter during the verification process. Rejected verification. If your verification is rejected, don't panic. Newton will typically provide a reason for the rejection, such as blurry photos or an expired ID. Review the reason carefully and correct the issue before resubmitting your documents. Technical issues. If you encounter technical issues, such as app crashes or upload errors, try restarting your device or reinstalling the app. If the issue persists, contact Newton's customer support for assistance. Long wait times. If you've been waiting for an extended period for your verification to be completed, you can check the status of your application within the app or contact Newton's customer support. Benefits of verified identity. So, what are the benefits of adding your ID to your Newton wallet? Increased security. Verified identity adds an extra layer of security to your account, protecting you from fraud and unauthorized access. Higher transaction limits. Verified users typically have higher transaction limits, allowing them to buy and sell larger amounts of cryptocurrency. Access to full features. Some features and services may only be available to verified users. Compliance with regulations. Verified identity helps Newton comply with regulatory requirements, ensuring a safer and more transparent platform for everyone. Faster processing. Verified users may experience faster processing times for transactions and withdrawals. Tips for a smooth verification process. To ensure a smooth and efficient verification process, here are a few additional tips. Read the instructions carefully. Pay close attention to the on-screen instructions provided by the app. Ensure good lighting. Good lighting is essential for taking clear photos of your ID and selfie. Use a stable internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for uploading your documents successfully. Be patient. The verification process can take time, so be patient and wait for confirmation. Contact customer support. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Newton's customer support for assistance. Adding your ID to your Newton wallet is a straightforward process that unlocks a range of benefits and enhances your overall crypto trading experience. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and efficient verification process. Remember that verifying your identity is not just a regulatory requirement, it's a crucial step in protecting your digital assets and contributing to a safer and more secure crypto ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.